Instagram's dreaded selfie verification blocking your access. Let's break down how to get back in. First, lighting is everything. Make sure you're in a well-lit area. Natural daylight is your best friend. Stand facing a window, but avoid direct sunlight, which can cause glare. Overhead lights or harsh shadows can confuse the system, so aim for even, soft illumination. Next, let's talk about clarity. Hold your phone steady. Any blurriness or movement will cause the verification to fail. Get close enough so your face fills the frame, but not so close that it cuts off your ears or chin. Ensure there's no hair covering your face, especially your eyes and forehead. And please, no sunglasses or hats. They need to see your whole face. Instagram's verification often asks you to turn your head, usually side to side. Follow these prompts precisely. Move slowly and deliberately. Imagine you're slowly tracing the outline of your face. Don't rush this step. The system is trying to capture multiple angles to confirm it's really you. Still stuck? It's time to tap into Instagram's help resources. On the verification screen itself, there's usually a need more help or can't verify option. This will guide you to the right place. You might need to submit a support request to Instagram directly. Explain clearly that you're facing a selfie verification error and have already tried the common troubleshooting steps. Patience is key. Once you've submitted a support request, it can take some time for Instagram to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email, as they'll likely contact you there for further steps or confirmation. Keep your account details secure and avoid trying multiple times in quick succession, as this can sometimes trigger more security measures. By following these steps, you'll significantly increase your chances of successfully verifying your account and getting back to your Instagram feed. Good luck!